Starting out, building your foundation.
Begin with light weights and focus on mastering proper form. Learn the basic movements like squats, deadlifts, bench press, and rows. Start with 2 to 3 sessions per week. Use weights that allow you to complete 10 to 15 repetitions with good technique. Prioritizing control and understanding your body's limits helps prevent injury and lays a strong foundation for future progress.
Early progression, adding reps and sets.
Increase the volume before increasing the weight. Once you feel confident with your form, gradually add more repetitions or sets to your workouts. This helps your muscles, joints, and tendons adapt safely. Aim for consistent improvements, like going from 2 sets to 3 or 10 reps to 12, rather than making sudden, large jumps in weight. Listen to your body and rest as needed.
Intermediate stage, increasing weight safely.
After building endurance, start increasing the weight in small increments. Add around 2.5 to 5% to your lifts only when you can complete all reps with good technique. Track your progress and avoid ego lifting, trying to lift more than you can handle. If you struggle with form, reduce the weight and focus on quality over quantity to keep progressing safely.
Advanced progression, adding complexity and variety.
Incorporate advanced techniques like tempo changes, pauses, or new movement patterns. This stage isn't just about lifting heavier. It's about challenging your body in new ways. Use single leg or single arm variations, or try supersets and drop sets to build strength and resilience. Continue prioritizing form and take deload weeks to allow full recovery, especially as your intensity increases.
Avoiding injury, recovery, and listening to your body.
Consistent progress relies on rest and awareness. Schedule regular rest days, warm up before lifting, and stretch afterward to aid recovery. Stay alert for warning signs like pain, persistent soreness, or fatigue, and don't push through injuries. If you're unsure, consult a professional. Combining patience with smart training choices is the key to long-term, safe weightlifting success.